Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to configure the line in and line out in the HME EOS HD base station, and this is true for HME base 6100, 6200 and 6700. This is how we configure the line in and out so that we know what we are getting from line in and what we are getting from line out. Let's get started. This is our base station. This is an HME EOS HD 6200, but the instruction is the same for both 6200, 67 and 6100. First, press any button to turn on the screen. Now we are going to zoom in so you could see what is going on. Let me come a little to the center there. So we go to menu, then we go to more, and more we go to installer setup. Once you're in the installer setup, you need to enter your password. The default password, unless it has been changed, is 1124. So we will put in the default password. We're pressing the negative button until we get 1 here, and then we go right arrow, press the negative again until you get the digit 1 here. You press right arrow, and then you press the negative until you get to number 2, right arrow, and then you press the negative until you get to number 4. If you go too far, then you press the positive to go back to the desired number. 1124 is our default password. Click continue. Now in this section, click on more, and then right here you go to line in out routing, which is this one. Click on that. Once you click on that, for line in, what would you like the line in to be? Whatever audio you feed to line in, do you want that to go to inbound or outbound? So outbound is what we want it to be, because you want the line in feed to sound and the menu board outside when the cars are coming. For example, if you want to connect an AI automatic order taking, or if you want to connect a music source for people in the drive-thru lane to listen to the music while they're waiting. So this is where you choose the first button. You press this and you go to outbound. So line in signal goes to outbound, in this case outdoor speaker. Now this is the line out. Line out is coming from where? Either from outbound or ceiling. Obviously you want it to come from the ceiling speaker. Ceiling speaker is the same speaker as the grill speaker. So this is already set correctly. Once these are done, you click back. You click back again, and again, and again, and one more time, and voila. Now your line in and out has been configured successfully. I hope this was educational. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.